When buying a new or used motorcycle, it's important to know what kind of bike works for you. In this video, I'm going over the major differences between cruisers and sport bikes. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle product reviews and tips to keep you safe. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more like this. Let's go! So let's start with cruiser motorcycles first. Generally, what makes a cruiser is a V-twin engine, a low seat height, and thick tires. These bikes are designed with a retro aesthetic and don't feature a lot of tech in them. Some pros include the comfortable and relaxed seating position. Cruisers are also easy to handle at low speeds. Another pro is that they are great for long trips. Let's move on to the cons of cruiser motorcycles. The first con would be pricing. Some of these motorcycles can really be out of a beginner's budget. Also, most of these motorcycles are actually very heavy to handle. Another con is that they don't quite accelerate as much as a sport bike would, but for beginners, this is a good thing. Be sure to like this video and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so let's move on to sport bikes. With plastic fairings covering the body and low-mounted clip-on bars, sport bikes are styled to look ready for the track. The racing look doesn't always mean that all sport-styled motorcycles are really fast. For example, the Yamaha R3 is a perfect beginner bike. Some of the pros for sport bikes are the modern and aggressive styling. These bikes are also very lightweight and have much more power to weight ratio than cruisers of the same displacement. Sport bikes have great acceleration, and also these motorcycles are made for the track if you ever want to take them there. Some of the cons of sport bikes include, when it comes to highway, these motorcycles don't really have that much wind protection like a cruiser would. Also, they aren't the most comfortable to ride during long commutes or long trips due to the crouched seating position. No two motorcycle styles are alike. I hope this video provides some insight on these two very popular styles. So which one do you go for? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.